So friends, these are the Dome's super soft tip brush pen with this paper and plastic packaging. These are the 14 shades of Dome's brush pen. And the price of these brush pen is 200 rupees and these are made in India. These brush pens are very affordable. As a beginner, you can buy these brush pens. You can see these are 14 shades of the brush pen. You can see the tip of these brush pen is very sharp, long and very soft tip. So it may be difficult for some beginners to use these brush pens because of super soft tip. But if you can handle these brush pens very carefully, then these brush pens are very amazing and very affordable. Let's see the swatches of these brush. So friends, if you are a beginner, then you can use these Dome's brush pens. These are very affordable brush pens and very easy to use. But the tip is very soft. If you want to purchase these brush pens, then I will give you the link in the description box.